Colorful World Kids. Let's start fun learning.
A for apple, A for ant, B for bear, B for bat, C for cat, C for cow, D for dog, D for duck. Let's sing the ABCs with 2-letter sounds. Come on, sing with me. E for elephant, E for eagle, F for frog, F for fish, G for goat, G for goose, H for horse, H for hen. Let's sing the ABCs with 2-letter sounds. Come on, sing with me. I for iguana, I for insect, J for jaguar, J for jellyfish, K for kangaroo, K for koala, L for lion, L for llama. Sing the ABCs with 2-letter sounds. Come on, sing with me. M for monkey, N for moose, N for newt, N for nightingale, O for owl, O for octopus, P for penguin, P for pig. Let's sing the ABCs with 2-letter sounds. Come on, sing with me. Q for quail, Q for quokka, R for rabbit, R for rhino, S for snake, S for spider, T for tiger, T for tortoise. Sing the ABCs with 2-letter sounds. Come on, sing with me. U for urchin, U for umbrella bird, V for vulture, V for viper, W for whale, W for wolf, X for x-ray fish, X for sea nuts. Let's sing the ABCs with 2-letter sounds. Come on, sing with me. Y for yak, Y for yellowtail, Z for zebra, Z for zebu. That's the alphabet we know. Sing it high and sing it low. Let's sing the ABCs with 2-letter sounds. Come on, sing with me. Let's sing the ABCs with 2-letter sounds. Come on, sing with me. A for apple, A for amulet, B for banana, B for bee, C for carrot, C for cherry, D for date, D for dill. Now I know my ABCD. Join me to the letters from A to Z. Let's learn more. E for eggplant, E for elderberry, F for fig, F for fennel, G for grape, G for ginger, H for honeydew, H for horseradish. Now I know my ABCD. Join me to the letters from A to Z. Let's learn more. I for iceberg, I for Indian fig, J for jackfruit, J for Jicama, K for kiwi, K for kale, L for lemon, L for leek. Now I know my ABCD. Join me to the letters from A to Z. Let's learn more. M for mango, M for melon, N for nectarine, N for Nori. O for orange, O for olive, P for peach, B for pea. Now I know my ABCD. Join me to the letters from A to Z. Let's learn more. Q for quince, Q for quinoa. R for raspberry, R for radish, S for strawberry, S for spinach, T for tomato, T for turnip. Now I know my ABCD. Join me to the letters from A to Z. Let's learn more. U for quince, Q for quinoa, R for raspberry, R for radish, S for strawberry, S for spinach, T for tomato, T for turnip. Now I know my ABCD. Join me to the letters from A to Z. Let's learn more. U for Elderberry, Q for Eggplant, cress, V for vanilla bean, V for Vidalia onion, W for watermelon, W for wasabi, X for xylocar. Now I know my ABCD. Join me to the letters from A to Z. Let's learn more. Y for yana, Y for yucca, Z for zucchini, Z for zest. That's the alphabet, you know. Sing high and sing it low. Now I know my ABCD. Join me to the letters from A to Z. Let's learn more. A to Z. Let's learn more.
A for apple, A for alligator, B for ball, B for book, C for car, C for cup, D for doll, D for drum. Friends, come sing with me the ABC song. Let's learn the alphabet from A to Z. Let's go. E for egg, E for eraser, F for fan, F for fork, G for glass, G for globe, H for hat, H for hammer. Friends, come sing with me the ABC song. Let's learn the alphabets from A to Z. Let's go. I for ice, I for iron, J for jar, J for jug, K for kite, K for key, L for lamp, L for leaf. Friends, come sing with me the ABC song. Let's learn the alphabets from A to Z. Let's go. M for mug, N for map, N for net, N for nail, O for oven, O for orange, P for pen, P for pot. Friends, come sing with me the ABC song. Let's learn the alphabets from A to Z. Let's go. Q for quilt, Q for quill, R for ring, R for rug, S for spoon, S for sock, T for table, T for tap. Friends, come sing with me the ABC song. Let's learn the alphabets from A to Z. Let's go. U for umbrella, U for urn, V for vase, V for zigzag, W for window, W for watch, X for xylophone, X for x-ray. Friends, come sing with me the ABC song. Let's learn the alphabets from A to Z. Let's go. Y for yarn, Y for yo-yo, Z for zipper, Z for zigzag. That's the alphabet we know. Sing it high and sing it low. Friends, come sing with me the ABC song. Let's learn the alphabets from A to Z. Let's go. Y for yarn, Y for yo-yo. Z for zipper, Z for zigzag. That's the alphabet we know. Sing it high and sing it low. Friends, come sing with me the ABC song. Let's learn the alphabets from A to Z. Let's go. Creatures, let's learn more. E is for elephant, mighty and strong. F is for fox, sneaking all along. G is for gorilla, strong and smart. H is for horse, galloping with a call. With me. Wild animals from A to Z, let's explore the great outdoors. So many creatures, let's learn more. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar on the run. K is for kangaroo, hopping all around. L is for leopard with a mighty sound. ABC, come sing with me. Wild animals from A to Z, let's explore the great outdoors. So many creatures, let's learn more. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for narwhal, swimming in the seas. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for panther, prowling out of sight. ABC, come sing with me. Wild animals from A to Z, let's explore the great outdoors. So many creatures, let's learn more. Q is for quokka, always with a grin. R is for rhino, with a thick skin. S is for sloth, moving slow and calm. T is for tiger, with the roar like a bomb. ABC, come sing with me. Wild animals from A to Z. ABC, come sing with me. Wild animals from A to Z, let's explore the great outdoors. So many creatures, let's learn more. U is for urial, a wild mountain sheep. V is for vulture, circling in the sweep. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. X is for Ceres, under the hot afternoon. Y is for yak in the cold mountain breeze. I is for zebra, grazing with ease. ABC, come sing with me. Wild animals from A to Z, let's explore the great outdoors. So many creatures, let's learn more.
Thank you, friends, for watching. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.